Hi, my name is Ben Jones. I'm an analyst at Dorsey, Wright & Associates. It's good to be back on the DWA India Minute. And first and foremost, let's take a look at the 50 rupee chart for the CNX Nifty Index. We see that it continues to trade at a negative trend. Over the last few weeks, it's managed to establish a near-term bottom there around that 4,550 level. It has been consolidating lower bottoms right there around that 4,600 level if you look at that 25 rupee chart. But continue to be vigilant and cautious right now because supply is in control. And for those strong stocks, they're still in those more defensive sectors. The consumer staples, healthcare, such as those pharmaceutical names, those are the ones that are providing some outperformance at this time. Hindustan Unilever is at the top of the CNX Nifty Matrix, along with Sun Pharmaceutical Industries. And using the DWA online query tool, if you're a subscriber to the Dorsey Wright Research, you'll be able to access that at the India tab. And one of the pre-made queries that we have is called the shopping list query. Basically, this pulls through the entire India equity database looking for stocks that are potentially actionable at this time, or you can put in your inventory or your shopping list for maybe some time down the road, especially if we see the Indian equity market improve. These are names that are trading in positive trends, possess positive relative strength as well. One stock is the Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Recently broke through that negative trend line, just broke another double top buy signal at 102. Look at this stock for a potential pullback that will provide a better entry point for investors. Also, Polaris Software LAB Limited recently broke through that negative trend line, smack dab in the middle of the 10-week trading band. It's also a 3-for-5er. And ITC Limited, look at this big guy. It's been trading in that triangle pattern. Some lower tops, higher bottoms. Look for a potential breakout at 212 that will provide a nice entry point for investors, or you can catch it on a pullback after such a breakout. And that's it for the DWA India Minute. Those are some stocks that are on my watch list right now, and I'm looking to potentially, maybe add some exposure if we do see some improvement in the equity market. But right now, we need to see some near-term stabilization and potentially a breakthrough of that negative trend line on that 50 rupee chart for the Nifty. That's it. I'll talk to you next week.